Let's learn English. Myclass, Yourclass. Today's lesson. This is and that is. Demonstrative pronouns.
This is an airplane. This is. This is a doll. This is. This is a kitten. This is. That is an airplane. That is. That is a doll. That is. That is a kitten. That is.
We use this is to talk about something near. For example, this is an apple. We use that is to talk about something far. For example, that is an apple. This is and that is are used only with singular nouns.
This is an apple. That is an apple. Now it's your turn. Let's practice. This is a banana. Or, that is a banana.
Correct. This is a banana.
This is a butterfly. Or, that is a butterfly.
Great. That is a butterfly.
This is a dog. Or, that is a dog.
Good job. This is a dog.
This is a ball. Or, that is a ball.
Correct. This is a ball.
This is a balloon. Or, that is a balloon.
Excellent. That is a balloon. Did you like the video? What about subscribing the channel?